Welcome to Designs, your ultimate destination for interior design inspiration. Today we're diving into the perfect fusion of two timeless styles, shabby chic and the English countryside. These two aesthetics come together to create a peaceful, spring-inspired ambiance that will transform your home into a warm and inviting retreat. Whether you're looking to refresh your living room or add a little charm to your bedroom, these spring decor ideas will bring a sense of calm, elegance, and comfort to every corner of your home. And if you love staying ahead in interior design, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Shabby chic is a decor style that blends vintage charm with soft, inviting comfort. It's all about creating a lived-in, timeless look using distressed furniture, soft pastel tones, and a touch of elegance. Think vintage florals, worn wood, and delicate textures that evoke feelings of nostalgia. Whether you're refurbishing an old chair or adding soft textiles, Shabby chic is about bringing warmth and character into every space. Paired with soft color schemes like blue and white, purple and white with pastel green, this style captures the essence of spring, adding a refreshing touch to your home. Now, let's bring in the essence of the English countryside. The beauty of this style lies in its natural, rustic appeal. Think fields of wildflowers, quaint cottages, and a connection to nature. Incorporating English countryside elements into your home decor adds an earthy charm that perfectly complements shabby chic. The key is to blend natural materials, soft floral patterns, and vintage-inspired decor. Incorporate wooden furniture, weathered bookshelves, and cozy fabrics that evoke the warmth of a country home. Adding touches like floral prints, earthy tones, and rustic textures will give your home that cozy countryside feel, while pastel shades tie everything together with a fresh, spring-inspired look. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home with new decor that celebrates the season. By blending the soft, timeless beauty of shabby chic with the natural, rustic charm of the English countryside, you can create a look that's fresh, inviting, and cozy. Think pastel florals, vintage-inspired accents, and natural textures that reflect the blooming beauty outside. Start by adding spring-themed decor like fresh flowers in pastel vases, delicate floral prints on cushions and curtains, and soft, airy fabrics like linen and cotton. A simple way to bring the outside in is by using plants and flowers as centerpieces, or placing a vase of fresh blooms on a vintage side table. To add character, mix and match floral patterns with vintage accessories, such as antique mirrors, teacups, and picture frames, creating an inviting atmosphere with both soft tones and rustic textures. Creating a cozy ambience is key to making your space feel inviting and warm. The combination of soft textures, warm lighting, and natural elements will make your home feel like a peaceful retreat. To start, focus on layering textures. Add soft throws, plush cushions, and vintage-inspired rugs that make your space feel comfortable and lived in. Soft lighting, such as vintage lamps and candles, will give your room a warm glow and create a sense of intimacy. You can also incorporate natural elements like plants, flowers, and wooden furniture, which will bring a bit of the outdoors inside. This balance of warmth, comfort, and natural beauty is what will make your space feel truly cozy and inviting, perfect for enjoying the spring season. Personalizing your space is what truly makes it your own. Adding DIY touches not only gives your home a unique character, but it also allows you to infuse your personal style into every corner. For a shabby chic and English countryside-inspired decor, you can try upcycling old furniture, creating your own floral arrangements, or adding vintage accessories that reflect your personality. Start by painting or distressing old furniture to give it a weathered, vintage look. You can also make simple DIY flower arrangements using mason jars, teacups, or vintage vases. Adding lace or floral fabric to cushions, curtains, or lampshades will also enhance that cozy, personal touch. With a little creativity, you can easily make your space feel even more inviting and reflective of your unique style. As we wrap up, we hope you found inspiration to transform your home with the perfect blend of shabby chic and English countryside charm. By incorporating soft pastel colors, vintage furniture, floral prints, and natural textures, you can create a space that feels fresh, cozy, and uniquely yours. Remember, the key to a beautiful space is personalization, adding your own touches, whether it's through DIY projects, vintage finds, or simple spring decor ideas. If you're ready to bring these ideas to life in your own home, give this video a thumbs up, comment with your favorite spring decor idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more home inspiration.